Dapat kami. Dapat yung Christmas, yung pera ko.
Okay.
Dapat bumili ako. Wala kailan lang to.
Okay, so I am going to my current voice line. Charge my Toy Store. So I used to back my February voice and October 2024 voice, but not anymore. And
Sobrang mahal.
okay, so I am going to my current voice line. So here I go.
Madami daw powder.
Oo. Yung unang natin na maraming powder. Pero
Ahem.
yung pangalawang bumili ako. Nakabili kasi ako sa Robinson. Tapos 99 pesos lang nagulat ako. 94 lang pala. 94
Hello,
pesos.
Hagato Pico fans.
Nagulat ako. Sabi ko,
I am
pero
current.
mura. Sale daw. 50% off. O, hindi ko alam po nung
The Hagato Pico God. Yes, applause. You belong in the totally spice world, not the Hagato Pico world.
Blah blah. Blah 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 blah.
I agree with you, yo. And also, not to mention that you will go to prison for say something rude.
Tita Joy. Nagkaroon na yan. Wala na. Wala ko lang.
Stop using false rip of claims. Our show came first after Russian Proof. Russian Proof came out in 2014. Hagato Pico came out in 2018. No. If you do bad things to us again, then we will get checked out. Oh my God. Oh. Monday. How dare you start gibberish dances to us? You know that it can't touch you after. Chronology. That's it.
Pinatingin ko kasi sa kanya.
You are banned from the Hagato Pico world. Go to the Lego show worldwide now!